Hey guys, and welcome back to Spirit Seers Cocktail Corner. We're coming to you again from the Darkwater Lagoon, which means I have a tiki drink for you. This is called the Rum Diary. This is a drink I stumbled on recently, and we tried it here a few times, and I really think that this cocktail has a lot to offer. So it's going to be a little bit complicated, but it's worth it, so stick with me. First thing we're going to do is prepare our glass, which I'm just going to use kind of this small low ball glass, and we're going to rinse that with absinthe, which I have stashed right here. So as usual, we're using Holy Stone's Apparition absinthe just because it's local and it's delicious, and it's really the only absinthe that we use anymore. Probably a little generous there. Give a little back. There we go. So with an absinthe rinse, all you really want to do is coat the inside of the glass. You don't want more than that, or it's going to influence the flavor too much. So now that we've kind of coated the glass, I'll just get rid of that. Now we're going to go with an ounce of green chartreuse. Now chartreuse is a really interesting liqueur. It comes out of France. It's got a whole heck ton of botanicals in it, and it brings this really cool savory note to a cocktail that you don't get with a lot of other stuff. So an ounce of green chartreuse into our shaker. Now we're going to go an ounce of pineapple juice, which I already have measured out here. 3/4 ounce of lime. We use key lime juice just because it's a little more tart, and we like that in our drinks. Now we're going to go with a 1/2 ounce of orgeat. Now, again, the only orgeat you'll ever see us use on this show, for the most part, I guess. If it's almond, it's definitely this one. And that's Bar Daddy, which you can get at caputos.com if you are from out of state. If you are fortunate enough to live in Utah, you can also order from caputos.com and they'll ship it to you for free. So that's a 1/4 ounce. A little splash there. And then we're going to go with an ounce of a white rum. Now, this is just rum barbancourt. It's a nice, crisp, kind of fruity, unoffensive white rum. There's some really strong flavors in this, so you don't want to try to throw something in that's going to really compete with the chartreuse. You want something that's just going to kind of accent it and sweeten it up and provide that rum base, and I think this is perfect for that. Okay, now we're going to just stick some ice in our shaker. We'll shake it up, and then we will strain it into our glass here. Okay, pull out our hawthorn here. We'll do a nice gated strain into our low ball glass. That orgeat really kind of gives it this nice creaminess to it. Not dissimilar to an egg white, and gives you that nice foam on top. So again, this is the Rum Diary. Let's taste it and see what we think. And this is really, really good. Super balanced. The rum is definitely there, but it takes a back seat to the chartreuse, which is really what we wanted. There it is. So the chartreuse really brings these kind of meaty, savory notes. It reminds me a lot of fresh basil, and that's really interesting when you pair it with the tropical kind of flavors of pineapple juice, the tartness of the lime, and then that sweet, kind of creamy mouthfeel that you get from that almond orgeat. This is a really, really good cocktail. The absinthe rinse, you really don't notice until the very end of the drink, the finish. And then you get those hints of kind of licorice and the herbal notes that kind of bring everything back down. Really, really interesting. Just continues to evolve. Yeah. It's not much to look at, but it is awesome to taste. So, if you try this cocktail, I'd love to hear what you think about it. Drop us a comment down below. You can also find links to our Surfside Sips affiliate portal down there. You can use our discount code Spirit Seers to get 20% off. There's a link to our Teespring store. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you see. We'd love to have you along. We've got tons of awesome stuff planned, and we'll catch you next time. Keep the spirit.